Hey, thanks for watching. My name is Terry Elliott. I am a product specialist at Heritage Ford in Corydon, Indiana. Today I'm going to be telling you about this 2022 Ford Maverick. This one is blue in color. This one does have a few added options that the dealer actually installed here. One of the first ones is going to be this bug shield guard here in the smoke color, which is really nice. I'm really excited about this Maverick. I'm happy that we finally got to do a video on it. This one is the Lariat as well. So yeah, I just want to show you a few things on the outside here. One thing I do want you to notice is these are the Lariat wheels, which look really good. I think Ford did a great job designing that. The Maverick, it's a very affordable vehicle. You get a lot of options and you get a lot of equipment and not a whole lot of cost. So it's actually, you know, if you look everywhere, it's been rated as one of the top 5 vehicles to purchase in 2022 and oftentimes #1 because it creates that much value. This one does have the keyless entry pad that you get with the Lariat. I'm gonna come around here to the back. I wanna show you the bed. It is a 4.5 foot bed, so it's not real long, but you can still do a whole lot of stuff with it. You can still get your mulch, you can still get move some wood if you need to. You can pull this down and you can still get 4x8 plywood in here, which is nice. This one does have the Toolbox. If you're gonna come in here, I want to show you this. This is a $280 option that is dealer installed. So it swings open like this, and then you close it back. But this thing, it kind of takes away from some of the capabilities that the bed does have. Also, I want you to come in here and take a peek at this. Here is a storage unit. Come on up here. You just open this up, you can store stuff in here, and also there is a little hidden storage that goes down in there. That's great for straps and whatnot. Maybe you're going for a hike and you don't want to take your phone with you and you just want to lock it out here, you could do that as well. So that's great, but there's all kinds of different spots inside here, which you can't see them all because this one has the added bar here already for these clamp downs. But there are actual holes where you can screw stuff into like this, so you don't have to do any extra drilling. It's already put in there for that, so you can drill stuff in here for different kind of stuff. Ford has a website where you can find all kinds of different stuff. You can actually get 3D printed stuff for this as well. So Ford didn't want to like limit you on your options on what you can do. They want you to be able to customize this bed to whatever you want it for. Like I said, there are different slots for 2x4s or 2x6s that you can put in here that are great. But with this being on there, it kind of covers up a whole lot of what Ford can do. You can see right here, there's a slot that comes down. You can section different parts off. I think there's over 20 different combinations of what you can actually do. And really, it's unlimited. There's all kinds of stuff that you can do with this bed, and that's the way Ford designed it. You know, like I said, if you just want to go hiking, camping, you want to separate your groceries, whatever you want to do, it's set up perfectly for that. You just got to go to Ford and go to the website that shows you different stuff on what all you can do, and it's great there. Lightweight tailgate here, super lightweight. It does have a bottle opener right here on the side as well. Being the Lariat, you backup camera standard, but this one does have the backup sensors on it as well. And this one does have the 4K tow package, which is really, really nice. Actually, I take that back. This one does have a tow hitch. I believe it is a 1,500 pounds. This one is the hybrid, so you can get an average of 37 miles per gallon is what you're gonna get. But let's go inside. We'll check out a few more things in here. So something I do want to tell you about on here is the different things that you can get. This is actually set up here. There's actually a water bottle there, so you can actually store a full-size 20-ounce water bottle right there. And there's actually storage back in here as well, so you can get all up in there, store all kinds of stuff. Like I said, Ford did a great job designing this. This is actually a very solid door as well. I just want to hear you let you hear it shut real quick. It shuts very solidly. You know, you wouldn't necessarily expect that for the value and the price that you can get on this, but Ford, when they were designing this, they was like, we want something that's going to be reliable and that doesn't break. So a lot of this is recycled material that they have used to create this, but it's strong, sturdy plastic is really what it is. And they got different kinds of designs going throughout the vehicle. So they did a great job with that. This one does have the B&O sound system as well. That's an upgraded option that you can get on the Lariat. But this, like all of this, it's plastic, but it's solid. I mean, I'm really trying to move that where if you get in other vehicles and you try to actually move this stuff around. It's not put together that well. Well, this stuff is very, very solid. I do want you to check out the leather interior in this as well. I love this brown leather interior. It's kind of different because right here, this kind of has a blue tone to it, which you don't really expect. This one does have the leather wrap steering wheel as well. Like I said, being the Lariat, you do get more options with this. We'll take a look at the touchscreen in here. So this is kind of an odd location. This one does have the fob being the Lariat. Your push start button is down here. So that's kind of different on it, but it's not bad. It's just different. It's a different location than what Ford has done with everything else. So here's your touchscreen. It's pretty basic, but you can still get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is great. So home screen's here. You got your audio, you got phone, where you can add for your Bluetooth, and then any apps that you have. Here's your power flow, which is nice. It tells you what you're doing, how much energy you're using, and where it's coming from. So right now it's coming strictly from the battery. We're sitting still, so that's kind of what you would expect. It does have the heated seats and the heated steering wheel, which is also nice. So yeah, and this is your sliding rear window. Also, this one does have the wireless charging pad on it as well. So this thing, it's loaded up, and for the value and the price that you can get on this, it's absolutely amazing. You would expect even a vehicle this size to be over $50,000 considering all the options, because your average new car price across the board is over $47,000 now. And this has a whole lot more equipment options than what a lot of those have. So that's kind of the inside of the front here. Showed you a few different things. I want to show you some stuff in the back. Like I said, Ford has made it to where you can 3D print stuff, whatever you want. For if you want cup holders, if you want hooks to hold grocery bags or a trash bag back there, whatever you want to do. But I'll show you a few things back there. It's really sweet. Ford did a great job on this. All right, so we're in the back now. This is what I was talking about. So this just comes right off. If you can just get that right there, you get this design, you can actually put anything you want on this and just slide it right down in there. So Ford did a great job with that. You do got a 120 volt right here, your USB A and C there. And also you notice they're right here as well. So you can actually, you got 3 different spots where you can put these at. If you just wanted extra cup holders down here, you can do that there. But like I said, Ford has got a design for this, which you can pretty much do whatever you want. Like I said, this is their grocery bag holder, if you want to call it that. So that's what you can hold with that, whatever you want to do. But Ford made it to where you can customize your vehicle to the way that you want. So you're not limited to anything. Yeah. And also you got your water bottle holders back here as well. Lots and lots of storage. I'll go ahead and show you this. 2 more cup holders here. But like I said, I really like this brown with the blue leather. Looks really good. All right, thanks for watching my video. This is the 2022 Ford Maverick Lariat. It's beautiful, nice ride, great value. I don't think you can get better value on any type of vehicle. If you can and you know of it, put in the comments. I'd like to check it out and see what all you can get for the price, because I know you can get a whole lot with this Maverick. If you guys like this video, hit the like button, subscribe. We post videos like this every single week. And if you would like to order one like this, come see us. We can order you a Maverick. Got any questions? Give me a phone call, 812-738-3284. Thanks for watching.